IBM AI courses on Coursera are some of the most popular AI programs available today. But with so many options to choose from, which ones offer the best value? In this video, I'll explain the three best IBM AI courses based on learner ratings, reviews, popularity, industry recognition, and career value. If you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. It's the most affordable way to access these IBM AI certificates and thousands of other career programs. Let's start with number 3, the IBM AI Developer Professional Certificate. This beginner-friendly program teaches you how to build AI-powered applications using Python, prompt engineering, Flask, LangChain, and modern generative AI tools. It has earned an impressive 4.7-star rating with more than 82,000 learner reviews. The hands-on projects and IBM credential make it one of the best AI developer programs on Coursera. At number 2 is the IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate. This program is ideal if you want to move beyond AI basics into machine learning and deep learning. You'll learn PyTorch, machine learning, computer vision, large language models, retrieval augmented generation, and generative AI. It has a strong 4.6-star rating and more than 22,000 learner reviews, making it one of IBM's most respected AI certifications. Taking the top spot is the IBM Generative AI Engineering Professional Certificate. This is currently IBM's flagship AI program on Coursera. It has a 4.7-star rating with over 100,000 learner reviews. You'll learn prompt engineering, LangChain, vector databases, retrieval augmented generation, fine-tuning, large language models, and modern AI development techniques. If your goal is to build cutting-edge generative AI skills, this is one of the strongest AI certificates available today. The best part is that all 3 certificates are included with Coursera Plus. Buying these programs separately can become expensive, especially if you plan to complete more than one certificate. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the better investment. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off. It's just $239 for the year, or less than $20 per month. You get access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from top universities. If you're ready to start learning while the 40% discount is available, check the link in the description to get the discounted Coursera Plus annual plan before the offer ends.